Hello folks, Gino here with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas with a 2007 Honda VTX1300. This is a really nice bike. It's a platinum metallic color, sort of in between a silver and a gray. Front end looks real nice on it. Got an excellent tire on front. You can still see some of the little knobs are still left on there. Front fender looks good. It's a liquid cooled 1300cc with a 5-speed. Got a detachable windshield on it. Engine guard up front with a set of fully adjustable highway pegs. This is a shaft drive bike. Got a set of Saddlemen leather bags. Rider and passenger backrest. I noticed right back here it had a couple little scratches right here on the back of this fender. Got a good tire on the rear. Factory exhaust, so it runs pretty quiet. Check the miles on it. Let you give it a listen. It's got 32,905 miles on it. Fires right up. Sits there and runs like a sewing machine. You hear any kind of engine noise or see any kind of smoke. ...2007 qualifies for some excellent financing and extended warranty options. Get a 1, 2, or 3-year extended warranty on this bike. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team at 817-985-8888. They can tell you all about it. You can go online and see our complete inventory at texasbestusedmotorcycles.com. We take almost anything in on trade. We sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it'd be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. Thanks for looking.